Hi, I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Hannah.
And today we're going to be talking about wind patterns and vacation.
I'm going from France to Australia. The climate in France is a marine west coast, which means it has a mild temperature year-round and a steady precipitation. It's pretty much warm all year, and it doesn't really snow there. Because of the warm air, there's low clouds and fog. The primary influence on France's climate is the currents. The North Atlantic current runs along France's coast, which brings warm water. The warm water basically makes it naturally warmer. In Australia, the climate is a humid subtropical. The summers are hot and muggy, and the air is really sticky and stuff. The winter is mild, and the precipitation is even throughout the year. The wind patterns I used to get from France to Australia are the coastal winds and the westerlies. For the coastal winds, I follow down the coasts of all of the countries until I get to the water. The coastal winds are easy to sail through, and they bring me right down the coast. Then the westerlies, they take me straight across the west, and they come from the horse latitudes going towards the poles. The westerlies take me right across to Australia.
Hi, I'm Kaylee again, and I'm going from Australia to Hawaii. The climate in Australia, when I first started out, was humid subtropical. The summers were hot and muggy, and the winters were mild, and the precipitation was the same all year long. The primary influence was latitude, because it's naturally warmer close to the equator in the Tropic of Capricorn. The destination that I was arriving at was Hawaii. The climate there was tropical and wet. The temperature is high through the year. It's not always going to be humid because the clouds cover up and make it so that it's not as humid all the time. There is no dry season throughout the area because in Hawaii it's an island. It's beautiful and opened. The wind patterns are trade winds. So when it blows from horse latitude toward the equator, and they help you go through the center of the earth. They blow from the east to the west.
A special weather condition that could happen in France is a hurricane. The hurricane takes strong winds from across the country, and it makes the temperature low, the pressure high, and it can do lots of damage. The hurricanes could blow the water from the coast onto the land. Lots of things could get damaged, and the climate could change while there's a hurricane because of the pressure. It could get really, really warmer, or it could get cooler depending on where the hurricane's coming from.
My special weather condition was monsoons. In Hawaii, there are lots of monsoons. Monsoons are where there's lots of winds that changes with season temperature and will go down. Air pressure when this is happening is it goes higher and higher and higher.
That was our trip from France to Australia and
Australia to Hawaii. I just want to say thank you to all the websites that we use, including www.google.com. Also including all the engineering sources that we use.
ARG!